In this video, I'm gonna show you how to clear app usage data on iPhone. So let's get started. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap App Store. Now on the App Store settings page, scroll all the way down and under Privacy, tap Personalize Recommendations. On Recommendations page, tap Clear App Usage Data option. This will remove app usage data stored on the device that helps personalize your App Store experience. So that is how you can clear app usage data on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.